Seasonality.AI Overview, your favorite platform for discovering powerful seasonal trends and insights into the stock market. We would like to give you an overview of Seasonality.AI's analysis tools. At Seasonality.AI, we offer a range of advanced tools to help traders and investors identify and analyze recurring patterns in the prices of stocks, currencies, futures indices, and cryptocurrencies. Let's take a look at seasonality and recurring price patterns. Both have a high hit rate and above-average reliability. Well-known examples of seasonal patterns are sell in May and go away, or, for example, Microsoft shares, which have always realized rising prices from October to mid-November in the last 10 years. These are just two well-known examples. There are many more lucrative ways to increase your stock market success with seasonality. Our tools are designed to empower traders and investors, providing detailed analyses in a user-friendly and easy-to-use interface. You can confidently navigate our platform, knowing that our tools are at your fingertips to support your trading decisions. With the right tools, analyzing a seasonal pattern is easy. But what makes our platform really valuable for you is the interplay between analysis and screening. Our screeners are more than just popular. They are powerful. With just a few clicks, they can identify the best trades for you, putting you in control of your trading decisions and empowering you to make informed choices. Okay, let's take a closer look at how our tools can improve your trading strategies. Let's start with seasonal patterns. Discover seasonal patterns and trends with our Seasonality Analyzer. Using detailed data and an integrated backtest, easily identify the best entries and exits. Analyze seasonal patterns that repeat annually. You can also analyze recurring price patterns that repeat monthly or weekly. The Seasonality Screener helps you to find the best seasonal patterns. The screener offers you numerous filter options that allow you to search according to your exact needs. With over 20,000 instruments, we have one of the largest databases for seasonal patterns. There should be something for everyone. But you can do even better. One seasonal pattern helps you to implement one trade better. However, to realize the full potential of seasonal patterns, all trades in the year should be optimally coordinated. To realize this, we have provided you with the Portfolio Strategy Builder. This tool analyzes various seasonal patterns and shows the results of the combinations in a portfolio. This allows you to maximize the return on your portfolio. Another point in any analysis is a comparison. Comparisons are an excellent method for determining the best results. Our Seasonality Comparison tool allows you to compare the seasonal trends of several instruments. This helps you to identify the best opportunities and diversify your portfolio effectively. For example, the seasonally strongest sectors or indices can be identified. Of course, you can also use your lists. One of the special features of our platform is the possibility to analyze intraday data. If you want to use seasonal patterns in intraday trading to determine the best time to enter the market, you can use our Intraday Seasonality Analyzer. For example, you can determine that the best intraday entry point for the Apple share in the last 30 trading days was at 10:30 a.m. And of course, we also have a suitable intraday seasonality screener for you. This allows you to find profitable intraday trades with just a few clicks. Numerous filters allow you to focus your search on the results that are most suitable for you. Now, let's move on to the next big section of our website. Recurring price patterns do not only exist on a seasonal basis. The shares, currencies, and indices prices often behave similarly during recurring events. These events are, for example, earnings releases or the payment dates of dividends and economic indicators such as the monthly publication of unemployment figures. It is interesting to see how prices behave before and after these events. We have provided the following tools to take advantage of these price movements. Let's start with the Earnings Analyzer. With the Earnings Analyzer, you can analyze historical earnings data to analyze price patterns around earnings announcements. These insights can help you make informed decisions ahead of earnings reports and profit from likely market reactions. This is particularly interesting for traders who want to profit from the large price movements during the earnings season. And of course, there is also a screener for this area. The earnings screener helps you identify stocks that show repeating price movements before or after the earnings release. A concept similar to the earnings analyzer can be applied to dividends. The dividends analyzer is designed to analyze price patterns before and after dividend payments. You can strategically position your investments to maximize dividend income by identifying repeating price movements. The dividend screener helps you identify stocks that show repeating price movements before or after dividend payments. Let's move on to the next analysis option. Earnings releases and dividend payments are events with a fixed structure, but there are other very interesting event possibilities that can impact stock market prices and offer lucrative opportunities. The Event Analyzer is designed to analyze patterns in the publication of economic indicators. You can position yourself to maximize release dates by identifying repeating price movements. And of course, there is a powerful screening option here too. The Event Screener helps you to identify stocks, indices, currencies, or futures that show repetitive price movements before or after publication. Publishing economic indicators is often a lucrative opportunity for intraday traders to maximize profits. Especially in the intraday area, price swings are characterized by economic indicators. To analyze these price swings, we offer the Intraday Event Analyzer. This shows the price behavior when economic indicators are published on an intraday basis. By identifying recurring price movements, you can profit from the publication of key figures, such as unemployment figures, in intraday trading. These were the powerful tools on our website. At Seasonality.AI, we understand that trading can be complex, which is why we offer comprehensive support. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, our user-friendly interface and dedicated customer support team are here to guide you, ensuring you get the most out of our platform. Discover the power of seasonal and recurring trends and take your trading to the next level with Seasonality.AI. Sign up today and start your journey to more innovative, data-driven trading and investing. Seasonality.AI, where data meets opportunity.